How to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Let's get started. First, go to Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi and wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Tap the icon next to your connected network. Select Forget this network. Then reconnect by entering the password. To check for iOS 18.1 updates, go to Settings, tap on General, and select the Software Update. Install any available updates to fix potential bugs affecting Wi-Fi. In the General menu, scroll down, tap on Reset or Transfer iPhone. Select Reset to reset all the network settings. Disable Low Data Mode. In the Settings, go to Wi-Fi. Tap the eye icon next to your network, and ensure Low Data Mode is turned off. Turn off your router, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and turn it back on. Ensure all cables are properly connected. Move closer to your router to ensure you're within range. Avoid obstacles like walls or electronic devices that may interfere with the signal. Restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button. Swipe to turn off your iPhone, then turn it back on after a few seconds. If the issue persists, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. And that's how you can fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues on iOS 18.1. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.